asem bi ha me papa ye asem ne said ye see ha me na nya asem ketwa enti me penchechire mu me besa me busa honorable Adwoa Sarfo se ne mrahye bedwa na adwuma na wo ye no eye TikTok no ye mrahye bedwa na adwuma na se Ghana e na ye mrahye bedwa na adwuma Adwoa Sarfo ade bia wada na dia ma se de ekoso ni vat ogu Ghana mampanyini ne MPP anim asepa aye areho emrahye bedwa ni MPP fo adi woni ma me ato abade amaw hwe Ghana fo hia mrahye bedwa fo hia now we say TikTok with the asa na boom jen in fact Adwoa Sarfo me emusawu yankasa nji wani yankasa nto onyom yankasa nya hwe hwe de ekosi Ghana yi living sense mu amrahye bedwani ye hian sa wo de wa hoodin beba wonim de beba sa be ya betu amanfofo etima aboa mamaji yi living atumu no wonam na we say TikTok so na wudi asa na mame musawu opportunity a wanya ne wiase nipa do say na nya sa opportunity bi o baba da romo hwe wa benya minister di onkwa na minister akonwa obi e pere no onkwa na ade etimi da ho na waja ho kwa wo ba no asa be for minister onkwa na nya sa opportunity no emrahye bedwam wanya kwan di mrahye bedwam akonwa e chese de wo ye de menim se MPP na wo show mabufu se chese wo huro mu se wo ye de ye se wo pa mo down for I don't understand I can't think far Adwoa Sarfo de na wo ye and obi ntufo obi nkasa nkyerɛw obi wu se de obi nka nkyerɛw se de wo ye no enya de pa in fact Adwoa Sarfo mama ye disappointed in her na was about bonti be dia side ne me be kyerɛ manfo hey nanti me beza me busa wo ye mrahye bedwani wa TikTok and I mrahye bedwani wa domi adan na wo yes ade no e ba Adwoa Sarfo mama ye disappointed you mama me ra ko pa ye de oban into the fuye na won ade e koso no wa ma on se hwiase opportunity we na wanya no minimo so send opportunity be a that you benya I don't know but opportunity we wanya no on underestimate no on fa ni agro this is very sad say na wo be hu Adwoa Sarfo ne videos na na me TikTok e ho na say odi ne mrahye bedwani odi mrahye bedwa akonwa no na ebra was oba parliament oh no I'm disappointed in her very much.
I did not listen to them, but I did investigation. And I realized that, look, these women that are complaining about Mrs. Kwashiga, they are rather inflating the schools. Kanoforiata has agreed with Swedro MP, what's the name? No, this is my friend. But look, these are the numbers you have to take. It should be within the budget. The women organizers, MPP women organizers, on their own authority.
Is that Akim Swedro?
Yeah, no. Aguna Swedro.
Okay.
Women organizers in the party.
No, that's Kennedy Osenya is Akim Swedro.
No, Aguna Swedro.
Aguna Swedro.
A lady.
It's a lady.
Don't worry, I'll get the name. He's my friend. You know, so what happened was that Kanoforiata and the minister agreed that this is the number you can take. And some women organizers in our party, on their own authority, gave some schools to some women. And up to date, they've not been paid because it was not captured. So they had gone to Mrs. Kwashiga to change the names of the schools or put in more schools for them. Then he said no.
Cynthia Morrison is the name of it.
Yes, Cynthia. She should, today, what she would do to me. My good sister, I have a problem now. So these coordinators, they were pushing the woman, and the woman said no. But you see, they made a U-turn, came and complained that I should convince Adwoa to remove Mrs. Kwashiga, which I didn't do it. Unfortunately for her, she didn't listen or investigate. And within 6 months in office, you said that the coordinator should leave. And let me tell you straight. Let me tell you, I don't miss words. Me, in MPP, and you media people, the way you twist, I want to state it emphatically, and it should be reported as it is, not twisting. Two things. Family matters, I will not discuss here because Adwoa is good, taking care of my kids. But politically, I will choose Mrs. Kwashiga over Adwoa anytime. Anytime, any day. Because we have to reward hard work, commitment to party. Those days that Kwashiga put his life on the line for NPP party, where was Adwoa Sarfo? You come to office in 6 months, you write a letter without even consulting the president. You write a letter to sack the woman. The only thing the president got to know was that it was in the papers that Mrs. Kwashiga has been sacked. What is this? So if the president instructs you to reinstate the woman, Otikwapai, Dr. Mwakuba, we respect you. You are a very good man, a loyal party, but respectfully, before you also comment, you should investigate and ask questions. Before you go and put it out there, if we lose, so what? We've been in opposition before. Why are we being threatened all the time? You lose, you lose, you lose.
Well, do you consider that a threat?
Yeah, of course. That if you make a mistake and remove Adwoa Sarfo, I want to tell Dr. Mwakuba that Adwoa Sarfo is in parliament in the name of MPP, but we are in opposition. So if we lose, we go to by-election and lose. It doesn't make a difference, I tell you. For the way the girl or the woman is treating MPP party. Look, we all have problems in the party. Me, let me tell you, all the sacrifices I've made, with the exception of the judge that I was annoyed, they wanted to take my land and I insulted them. Every court case that I have in this country is because of MPP. But nobody in MPP has even asked, oh, how is the court case?
You clearly have a heart for the New Patriotic Party. You've called for compromise on the part of the NPP because the numbers really, and you don't have a clear majority in Parliament.
Yeah.
How do you propose this compromise is achieved?
You know, we all have to put our grievances behind us. Just as I told you that I also have problems in the party. Me, I'm a businessman. The way I run my mouth to defend MPP, if I want a contract, I beg like a kid. Read my lips.
Really?
I beg, yes, I beg like a kid in MPP before they give me something. And when you go there for 100, they'll give you piecemeal 20. I look at them and I say, Lord, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. But we are still surviving. It's not rosy as you see it out there. We all have problems, but party first. But party first. So if you think you have a problem and the way you are going to operate is to sabotage the party. Now, you are asking for the president to remove the deputy majority leader for you to be a deputy majority leader. I will also go back to America and tell President Akufo-Addo, resign before I come. Yeah. If President Akufo-Addo should yield to Adwoa's demand, I'll also go to America. Then I'll make phone call to Chief of Staff. Well, tell President Akufo-Addo to resign before I come back. Somebody will look at me, Kenneth Japan, you talk too much. Okay, I'm also not coming to Parliament. What precedents are we setting in this